Hi there, Mike with Van Cafe. We are getting ready to release this new product. This is formed plastic, so this is vacuum formed plastic. And basically this is the contour of your skylight on your Westy pop top. So you take this contour and you put it on your Westy pop top, and then you take a fan like this or like that and you put it on there, and you end up with a reversible 10-speed fan that has a remote control on the roof of your van. And this requires no cutting, no drilling. It uses the same holes that are in your Westy top as the mounting hardware. So we'll put a thin layer of silicone around here, and then we'll have 6 bolts that bolted in place. And what you end up with is the fan flange on the camper. So inside your van you have a fan, and on the outside you have this flange right here that sticks up and gives you a skylight replacement option with a fan. So come see us at Van Cafe, and we appreciate the business and the support.